we've shown this grade quite a bit in previous videos, so I'm going to go ahead and record this so that way we can use it as a comparison if needed. But this is a pretty good size incline. It's kind of the start of the pretty good size inclines. We've got quite a few more to go. You can hear the downshift. Sitting on 3,200 RPMs. That has been the case pretty much any time we've needed to hit an incline like this. Watching Charger Cooler 2, it's roughly 210 degree delta from Charger Cooler 1. Maintaining 156 on Charger Cooler 2, so the radiator is cooling the coolant as needed. As you can see, the inlet is 367, coming out as 158. So it's pretty good, 210 degree drop just by air flying through that Charger cooler. Engine oil temp is exceeding 260 degrees. You saw my warning right there. That's not a terrible number, but it's not a good number. So we are getting some higher heat right now out of that engine oil temp. So hopefully it starts to cool that down. Ambient temperature right now is 84 degrees. So we're really not even that hot outside. We're definitely going to see higher temps later on. It's another downshift. We're sitting at 3,700 or so RPMs going up this. Speed limit is 80. Cruise control set to 77, but obviously the truck cannot maintain that. Oil temp is going up some more. We've got a truck sitting right there. We're not going to be able to pass. He's going to let us pass. There we go. So we are actually gaining speed right now, so it is putting in work. It did upshift right there. We're going to go ahead and get back over. Something funky happened with my mirrors when I turn on my turn signal now. It shows both. 270 for engine oil temp. So we are just cooking. This thing is really having to work to maintain this speed. So obviously what I should do is just slow down, but that's not what we do on this channel. This truck needs to do what I want it to do, and that's all there is to it. Alright, so we just hit the crest. 270 degrees. Engine oil temp is the unhappy temp. Charger Cooler 2 sitting at 160. So again, roughly a 200 degree drop from the intake air temp or Charger Cooler 1 versus 2. So now we're going to go downhill, and it's going to have a chance to cool down and take a breath.